Feeling weaker with each passing year? Struggling to lift, move, or even stand as you once did? A single daily habit could restore your muscle strength, making you feel decades younger. It's time to challenge the belief that aging equals weakness. Discover the transformative power of this one simple practice. Welcome to Levitas. Why is strength key for overall health and aging? Maintaining muscle strength is vital for overall health, especially as we age. Strong muscles support mobility, balance, and daily activities, reducing the risk of falls and fractures. They also play a crucial role in metabolic health, aiding in blood sugar regulation and weight management. As we grow older, muscle mass naturally declines, a condition known as sarcopenia, which can lead to decreased independence and quality of life. Regular strength training combats this decline, preserving muscle mass and function. By prioritizing muscle strength, we not only enhance physical capabilities but also promote longevity and a higher quality of life in our later years. How do hormetic stressors improve muscle strength? Hormetic stressors are controlled, short-term stress exposures that stimulate the body's adaptive responses, leading to improved resilience and strength. Examples include cold exposure, sauna sessions, intermittent fasting, and isometric exercises. Cold exposure, such as cold showers or ice baths, activates brown fat and increases norepinephrine levels, enhancing alertness and muscle tone. Sauna use induces heat stress, promoting heat shock proteins that aid in muscle repair and growth. Intermittent fasting triggers cellular repair processes and increases growth hormone secretion, supporting muscle maintenance. Isometric exercises, involving static muscle contractions without movement, improve muscle endurance and strength by recruiting multiple muscle fibers simultaneously. These hormetic practices, when applied appropriately, challenge the body just enough to provoke beneficial adaptations without causing harm. Incorporating them into a routine can enhance muscle strength, improve metabolic health, and increase overall vitality. However, it's essential to approach these stressors with caution and consult healthcare professionals to ensure they're suitable for individual health conditions. Why is protein intake essential? Protein is fundamental for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. It provides the amino acids necessary for synthesizing new muscle tissue, especially after exercise-induced muscle breakdown. For active individuals aiming to build or preserve muscle mass, a daily intake of 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, or 0.8 to 1 gram per pound is recommended. For instance, a person weighing 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds, should consume between 112 and 154 grams of protein daily. Distributing protein intake evenly across 3 meals, at least 40 to 50 grams per meal, optimizes muscle protein synthesis throughout the day. Consuming protein-rich meals within 2 hours post-exercise can further enhance muscle recovery and growth. High-quality protein sources include lean meats, dairy products, legumes, and certain plant-based options like quinoa and organic tofu. It's also beneficial to include a variety of protein sources to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Adequate protein intake, combined with regular resistance training, is crucial for maintaining muscle strength and function, particularly as we age. Consulting with a dietitian can help tailor protein needs to individual goals and health conditions. Why are vitamin D levels important? Vitamin D plays a pivotal role in muscle function and overall health. It facilitates calcium absorption, essential for muscle contraction and bone health. Deficient vitamin D levels have been linked to muscle weakness, increased fall risk, and impaired physical performance, particularly in older adults. Adequate vitamin D supports muscle strength by influencing muscle fiber composition and promoting protein synthesis. It also modulates inflammatory responses, reducing muscle inflammation and aiding recovery post-exercise. Sunlight exposure is a primary source of vitamin D, however, factors like limited sun exposure, skin pigmentation, and age can affect synthesis. Dietary sources include fatty fish, grass-fed dairy products, and egg yolks. Supplementation may be necessary for individuals with low levels, with dosages varying based on specific needs and existing deficiencies. Regular monitoring of vitamin D status through blood tests ensures optimal levels are maintained. By ensuring sufficient vitamin D intake, individuals can enhance muscle strength, reduce injury risk, and support overall musculoskeletal health. Consult with your healthcare provider before starting supplementation to determine appropriate dosing. Are B vitamins essential for muscle? B vitamins are integral to muscle health, playing roles in energy production, protein metabolism, and red blood cell formation. Vitamin B6 aids in amino acid metabolism, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and the formation of red blood cells, which transport oxygen to muscles during exercise. Folate works alongside B12 in DNA synthesis and repair, supporting muscle cell regeneration. Deficiencies in these vitamins can lead to fatigue, muscle weakness, and impaired recovery. Athletes and individuals engaging in regular physical activity may have increased B vitamin requirements due to higher energy expenditures and metabolic demands. Dietary sources rich in B vitamins include lean meats, dairy products, legumes, and leafy green vegetables. In some cases, supplementation may be necessary, especially for those with dietary restrictions or absorption issues. Ensuring adequate intake of B vitamins supports efficient energy metabolism, enhances muscle performance, and promotes quicker recovery post-exercise. Regularly consuming a balanced diet rich in these nutrients is key to maintaining optimal muscle health and overall well-being. Consulting with your healthcare professional for supplementation if required. How does betaine help improve strength? Betaine, a naturally occurring compound found in foods like beets and spinach, has garnered attention for its potential to enhance muscle strength and performance. It functions as a methyl donor, playing a role in cellular hydration and promoting muscle endurance. Studies suggest that betaine supplementation can increase muscle power output, improve exercise performance, and support lean muscle mass development. The recommended dosage for those seeking performance benefits ranges from 2.5 to 6 grams per day, often divided into multiple servings. It's commonly consumed pre-workout to maximize its ergogenic effects. Betaine's mechanisms include enhancing muscle protein synthesis and reducing homocysteine levels, which, when elevated, can impair muscle function. Additionally, it can aid in fat loss while preserving muscle mass during caloric deficits. While generally considered safe, it's essential to start with lower doses to assess tolerance and consult with a healthcare provider, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions. Incorporating betaine into a comprehensive fitness and nutrition regimen can be a valuable strategy for those aiming to boost muscle strength and overall performance. As with all supplements, quality and consistency are key to achieving desired outcomes. Why is omega-3 important for strength? Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are essential nutrients that play a significant role in muscle health and strength. They possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid in muscle recovery and reduce exercise-induced muscle damage. Omega-3s enhance muscle protein synthesis, contributing to muscle growth and maintenance. They also improve insulin sensitivity, facilitating better nutrient uptake by muscle cells. Regular consumption of omega-3s has been linked to increased muscle mass and strength, especially in older adults combating age-related muscle loss. Dietary sources include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds and walnuts. For those with limited dietary intake, supplementation with fish oil capsules can be beneficial. The typical recommended dosage ranges from 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily, but individual needs may vary. Incorporating omega-3s into a balanced diet supports muscle function, enhances recovery, and contributes to overall physical performance. As with any supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to determine appropriate dosing and ensure it aligns with individual health goals and conditions. How to add strength training. Strength training is a main cornerstone of maintaining and enhancing muscle strength, especially as we age. Incorporating resistance exercises into your routine stimulates muscle protein synthesis, leading to increased muscle mass and improved functional capacity. Regular strength training enhances bone density, supports joint health, and boosts metabolic rate, aiding in weight management. To begin, aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week, focusing on major muscle groups using free weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises. Each session should include exercises targeting the legs, hips, back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, and arms. In conclusion, building muscle strength isn't just for aesthetics, it's essential for longevity, mobility, and metabolic health. Integrating hormetic stressors, optimal protein, vitamin D, B vitamins, betaine, omega-3s, and strength training unlocks peak physical performance and resilience. This holistic approach transforms aging into a path of vitality and powerful living. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.